Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download Aviator Predictor app on your mobile phone. So for that just go to your Play Store. Now we download any app from our Play Store. But click here in search option and search for Aviator Predictor. Search for Aviator Predictor. When you search this, you can see there is no such app available in our Play Store. So now how you will download Aviator Predictor app? For that, just go to Google and search for Aviator Predictor APK. When you search this, here the first website is officially Aviator Predictor website. Just open this. Make sure to download this from their official website. When you open this, here you can see the option called download APK. Just simply click on this. When you click on this, here you can see it's country check. Now after country checking, you will get a link. Just simply click on this start. Now here click on next. Again click on next. Here you can see there 45%. When it will got completed, you will get an option to download app. Just simply click on download option and your app will be downloaded. So here's the way you can download this app Aviator Predictor on your mobile phone.